Okay, I'm testing now the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Earbuds. If it's working, if it's better versus the Sabbat E12 Ultra and also the Taotronics SoundLiberty 79. So test mic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, testing now the Sound Liberty or the Taotronics Sound Liberty 79. Test mic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Test mic, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, testing now the Sabbat E12 Ultra. Test mic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Like it. I know that you like it, you like it.